everyone, today we are fixing the picture freezing and jumping issue on LG TV with the 6870S-1578C panel. This problem happens when the even and ODD clock line inside the panel gets shorted. In this video, I will show you how to isolate those shorted line and bypass the signal easily to fix the display. Let's get started. Looking, the display is frozen and plain. Now the TV is working fine. Thank you for watching.